The smile makeover procedure is something that people bring to our attention. They want to have some changes. They're unhappy with how their teeth appear. We have a lot of options. Those options could be really conservative dentistry, where we're just reshaping a tooth, we're whitening a tooth, we're using a porcelain veneer, we're using a porcelain crown. Sometimes we're using a dental implant to replace a tooth and incorporating other types of dentistry around that. It's straightening teeth with an Invisalign process for themselves and then reshaping a tooth. Nothing goes on your teeth at all, and it makes a dramatic difference for themselves. We're doing computer imaging with patients, scanning, being able to design smiles on a computer before we are actually implementing it in an individual's mouth. We're able to do digital wax-ups with patients so they can see what they are going to get before we actually will do a procedure for them. This way we get their input. The teeth are too long, they want them wider, they want to show more, they want to show less. All these things are done before we actually will work on the patient.